Hello children, class 6th, chapter 3, playing with numbers children. This is part 5. I have uploaded already 4 parts of this chapter children, topic wise, prime factorization, divisibility, common factors and factor tree, division method. Like this I have uploaded. Please go through that videos children. If you like that videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel children. Now I am going to show what is highest common factor children. In last video what is common factor I have explained you children. What is common factor children? Common factor means taking factors of a numbers and from that common factors which are common in both numbers. For example, 12 and 18. See here, common factors of 12 and 18 are, now we will find for 12 here. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself are the factors of 12. In 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 we get the number 12 and other numbers we can't see 12, other tables. Okay, 18. Now we will find the factors of 18. 1 itself and 2 9s are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 3, 6 are 18. In 4 it will not come, so ignore 4. And now 5 also we not see 18. In 6 table we see 6 3s are 18 and 9 2s are 18 and 18 itself children. 10 11 12 and up to 17 we can't see 18. Okay, 18 itself is the factor of itself. Okay, now common factors. Let us take common factor from 12 and 18. 1 is first common factor, least common factor. 2 here and now 2 here. Okay, write down 2 commonly. Now see 3 here. 3 is there? Yes, 3 is there. Write down 3. Now next 4 is there in 12. See here in 18 4 is not there. So we can't write 4 common. Now 6 is there. 6 is common here. 6 and 6 in 18. So write down 6 is a common factor for both of them. 9 is there? No, 9 is not in 12. 18 is not in 12. 12 is not in 18. So now common factors are 12 and 18, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, these are the common factors. Now from this highest common factor, for highest common factor we have to know what is common factors first, so that I have explained you what is common factor. Now HCF means highest common factor. We have to take out a common factor which is highest. So HCF common factor of 12 and 18 is 6 here. Is 6. Okay, from this common factor, what is the highest common factor? 6 is the highest common. So write down highest common factor HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay, like this we have to take out common factors and HCF of numbers. Now HCF of 2 or more numbers is the of their common factors. It is also called as greatest common divisor. HCF is also called as or greatest common divisor children. Okay, GCD. We say it as GCD. HCF is also called as GCD children. Now for example we have two methods. HCF finding we have two methods. First method is prime factorization method. It is one way of finding, and another way is division method. Division method, we can find the HCF, highest common factor, or GCD. We can say it as GCD method. Okay, prime factorization method, first one, and second one is division method, children. From this I will show now prime factorization method. By this we can find HCF of or GCD of given one, two or more numbers. Okay, how I will show here. See children, method of finding two or more numbers, highest common factor. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. In this method, same prime factorization, we have to find factors by using prime numbers. Okay, finding first I will show example. Prime HCF, find HCF of 12, two or more numbers, 12, 30 and 36. Okay, now by using this method I will show the factorization. Okay, how? See children, now first of all write down given are 12, 30 and 36. First you have to find the first number factors, 12. Okay, 12. Prime factors means we have to find the factors by using prime numbers only. Let us take the 2, number 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 3 is there. 3 1s are 3. We have to do this factorization up till we get 1, children. Okay, this is prime factorization. We have to continue till we get 1 here. Okay, now we get 1 here, so stop the factorization. So factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, now 30. Factors of 30. Here see 30 factors. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. For 15 here. 3 5s are 15. We have to use only prime numbers here. 5 1s are 5. So the factors are 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Now another is 36. Find factors of 36. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining here. 1 means 16 here. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, completed the factors of 36. 30 is 2 into, I am writing here again factors of 30, and now 36 we obtained a 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1, 3 into 3 into 1. These are the 3 numbers factors. Okay, now it's the common factors. First of all we have to find common factors of 12, 30 and 36 is 2 here. See children, 2 here and 2 here. Write down 2 as a common. Into 2 here again, but 2 is not there in 30. So don't write this 2 again. Only in 12 and 36 2 common, not in 30. So now see 3. 3 here, 3 here and 3. So write down 3 common for both. And next 1 is common for everyone. Write down or don't write, it is Okay, for 1, 2 into 3 into 1. So now product of 2 into 3 into 1 is 6. The common factors of 12, 30 and 36 is, hence we get the HCF of 2 in 12, 30 and 36 is 6, children, is 6. This is the answer. Okay, HCF of 12, 30 and 36 we obtained is 6. Okay, first we have to find the prime factorization. Next 30, this is 36 prime factorization, this is 30 and this is 12. So write down all the prime factors here one by one. Next, see here, common factors are 2 and 3 here. Okay, so write down here 2 and 3. So HCF of 12, 30, 36 is, product of them is 6. So answer is 6. Finding this by using prime factorization method. Okay, next I am going to show another example in this. Another example is, now another example, HCF of 20 and 24. Find out this, children. Easy question, only 2 numbers. Here I am 3 numbers, I am taken 3 numbers, but here only 2 numbers of HCF. Very easy, children. Do here. First of all, find 20 prime factors. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10. 5 itself is a factor. And now 20 factors are 2 into 5 into 1. Now 24. Now 24 factors. Find out 24 factors. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2, 6 are 12, 2 threes are, again 3 is there, so 3 ones are. We obtain 1 here, here also 1. We have to do the factorization till we get 1 finally. Okay, now the factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, now common factors are 2, here 2, write down 2 common, into again 2 here, 2 here, so write down 2 common here, 2 common. Again 5 is there, here not 5 is there, 5 is not there, so 1 is there only, so no common factor is there. So write down what is the HCF of 20 and 24 is 4. Product of common factors is 4 is the HCF of 20 and 24, children. This way we have to find the common HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor, GCD. Okay, the GCD or HCF, we use prime factorization method by this way. Okay, we have to find common factor and product of that is the HCF or GCD. Okay, next method is division method, children. How? Now again another method is second method, that is what, children? Division method. How we will do division method, children? See here, for more numbers, more than 2 numbers, that are 3 numbers or 4 numbers, we use division, that is different way, children. Larger number by the divide the larger number. First divide larger number by smaller number. We know this division. Okay, this is the way we divide a number. Divide larger number by smaller number. Okay, children, smaller number. Then what is the process here? See, divide larger number by smaller number and then divide by the, again divide the previous divisor by the remainder, previous divisor by the remainder we obtained until we get 0, until we get 0. Okay, understood children? That is, we have to divide larger number by smaller number, we get some remainder. So that remainder should be divided by the previous divisor. Okay, until we get the remainder 0. By example, I will show. If you don't understand the process of division method like this, by example you can easily understood. Okay, easily understand the process children. Find the HCF of 56 and 64. See children, find the HCF of 56 and 64. Now solution for this is, see 56, we have to take larger number by smaller number, and smaller number we have to divide the larger number. 64 we have to write inside and write this like, okay, 56 is the smaller number, we have to divide the larger number by smaller number. Okay, 56 ones are 56, we have 56 twos are 112, so we have taken 56 ones are 56. Now subtract this. 14 borrow, we have to take borrow here, 4 and 6 here, so we have taken borrow. 14 minus 6 8, 5 here, 5 remainder, so 5 minus 5 0, so 64 minus 56 is 8. Now this is the process children. Here we have to we get remainder here, no, we have to divide the number by this remainder. Which number we have to divide? This previous number, previous divisor, that is 56. We have to divide this previous divisor by the remainder. I have to tell this process children. First of all you understand this process. Okay, we get the remainder, no, so by this remainder we have to divide the previous divisor. So write down this previous divisor here until we have to divide like this until we get 0. 8 sevens are 56. Okay, here we get 0 remainder, so we have to stop the process here. If you don't get the remainder, we have to again divide this remainder. If you get any remainder like 3, 4, we have to divide this remainder to the number 8. Okay, this is the previous divisor. So like this we have to continue until we get remainder 0. Here 0 obtained, so we have to stop the process. So remainder is 0. The last divisor is what children? We have to write here last divisor is 8. When remainder becomes 0, what is the divisor? 8. Thus HCF of 56 and 64 is 8. When we get 0 here, when by dividing this 56 by remainder 8, so 8 is the last divisor, so this is the answer. 8 is the HCF of 56 and 64. This method is useful to find the HCF of large numbers children. When we have heavy large numbers, we use this method, dividing by remainder, dividing by divisors. Like this we have to continue until we get 0. The last divisor is the HCF of the given numbers. For giving 2 or more numbers, how you will do? This is the process for 2 numbers. How you will do children? See here. Example, I will show here the process of finding HCF of 3 numbers, more than 3 numbers. HCF of 40, 56 and 60. Here 3 numbers. How you will divide, children? This is the confusion. So let us take any two numbers. First let us take any two numbers. Okay? Solution. First step. First find HCF of two numbers. Any two numbers. Any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers. Let us find HCF of 40 and 56. 40 and 56. Now 60 is there. So first we have to find 40 and 60. 40 and 56. I am taking these two numbers first. First we have to find these. Again we get the HCF of these two numbers. By that we use 60 and by that result. Okay. We find another HCF. So that is the last final result. Okay. First let us find. By seeing this example you can easily understand. Okay. HCF of 40 and 56. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel, children. For more videos I will upload for you, children. Please watch my channel, watch my video completely, children, so that you can understand any difficulty in maths. You can easily solve that problem. Let us find HCF of 40 and 56. Now smaller number we have to divide the bigger number. Okay, 40 ones are 40. Now 42s are 80. So I am taking 40 ones are 40. Minus, subtract this. 6, 5 minus 4 is 1. 16. 16 is the remainder. Now what is the last divisor here? 40. So write down 40. So divide this 40 by remainder we obtained here. So 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. So 10 minus, borrow here, 10 minus 2 8. Now here 3, 0. So 8 is the remainder here. Again continue this process till we get remainder 0 here. So 8. What is the previous divisor? 16. Right here 16. We have to divide this 16 by 8. Remainder. 8 2s are 16. Okay. This is the process. Now subtract this. 16 minus 16. We obtain remainder 0. So stop this continuation of doing this process until we get 0. Stop here only. What is the last divisor, children? 8. So HCF of 40 and 56 is 8, children. Now take step 2. Secondly, we have to find the HCF of third number 8 and third number, that is 60. Okay. Now HCF of we obtain 8, no? So that 8 and remaining 60. So take the 60. HCF of 8 and 60. We have to obtain 8 and 60. So now what is that? 8 and 60. Divide 8. Divide 60 by 8. Okay. This is the big number and this is a small number. Now see here. 8 7s are 56. So subtract here. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 5 here remaining. 5 we get 5 minus 5 0. The remainder is 4. Now divide 4 8. Last divisor is 8. So write down here divisor. And remainder is 4. We have to divide with 4. 4 2s are 8. minus 0. We obtain 0 here. So stop dividing. What is the last divisor here? 4. So HCF of 8 and 60 is 4. So finally we get 4 here. First we have to take any two numbers. For giving more numbers, more than two numbers, like 3 numbers, we are doing first find two numbers HCF and next that result and the remaining number. Okay, find another HCF. So lastly we get the HCF is 4. This is the final answer of HCF of 40, 56 and 60 is 4 is the final result. So like this way we have to do the division method, children. Doing remainder again and again, we have to find the remainder of divisors, and finally which divisor, last divisor we have to take, because we obtained 0 here. By dividing that remainder we obtained 0. So that is the last divisor. So taking last divisor and remaining number we have to divide. So division method is like this. This is the process I am going to show you. Like this only, children, you can easily understand if you watch this video completely. Don't stop watching in middle of this video. Okay, you can't understand what is HCF, GCD and what is division method, what is prime factorization method. Okay, watch completely, children. If you have any doubts, please watch, go through my last videos I have uploaded, so that you can clear your doubts easily. Okay, in this video the topic is highest common factor, that is common factor and greatest common HCF and GCD. That is HCF is also called as GCD in two methods, prime factorization, division method. Prime factorization, like this we have to use only prime factors. HCF means HCF of division method means like this way. Process is continuous until we get 0. Okay, children, thank you for watching, children. If you have any doubt, please do this problem as a homework, children. 28, 35 and 49 and 49. Homework for you, children. HCF of 28, 35 and 49. Find out, children. If you have any doubts, please watch again this video. You can clear your doubts. Thank you for watching, children. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe with your friends and family members. Thank you.